Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the goal for the steps on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon and here scroll down and find the option called My Goals. Once you find it, tap on it and here select Target Steps. And now we can adjust the goal for the steps by swiping up and down. Select the one you like and then tap on OK. And then you can go back and close the app. And now when you go to your watch, open the activity app, you will see that the goal was updated. Okay, and that's how you change the goal for the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.